Hello everyone and welcome back. Today our topic is habitats. So let's get started. So there are many types of habitats. Today we're gonna study only three of them. These three will be rainforest, desert, and Antarctic. So the rainforest. Let's take an example of the rainfall. So first we need, but before that, first we need to understand what are rainfall, what are a habitat. So the place where an plant or animal lives is its habitat. Rainforest provides many different habitats for animals, in soil, in water, or on the ground, in the darkness, under trees, or high in the treetops. The plants and animal in each habitat can be very different. They all have adaptations that help them survive in their habitat. So a rainforest. The Let's take an example of the orange Uton who lives in a rainforest. There is less food near the ground, so it stays in the treetops where there are leaves, fruits, and seed. To survive, it needs to cross gaps between trees to find food. That is why it is adapted for it. It has long arms, its feet act like hands to hold on to branches, and its eyes face forward to judge distances accurately. As you can see, his eyes, uh, his eyes are forward. You can judge that. He can, and his legs are like hands, so he holds them with the treetops. So now let's take an example of deserts. Deserts, the water holding frogs in Australia spend most of their lives underground. They grow fast when it rains, then fill their barrels with water and bury themselves in mud. They lie trapped underground for an year or more until it rains again. Then they pop out briefly to feed and breed. Native Australians used to dig them up and squeeze water from them to drink in Australia. So, food and water are scarce in deserts. Camels and ox have adapted to live in the desert. They can walk long distances to find food and they can survive for months without drinking. Most desert animals survive by hiding underground or saving water. They sleep during the day and come out at night to find food. Desert's climate is hot and sunny, and there is much less land, so the plants here grow less, and there is not so much food. So now let's move on to the third and the last one, Antarctic. Antarctic is dark for 4 months of the year and mostly covered in snow. Few parts in the Antarctic, um, few plants grow on land, but microscopic plants grow called plankton fill the ocean that surrounded the continent. Small shrimp-like animals called filter plankton from the water. There are more krill than any other type of animal on Earth. They feed most other plants in the Antarctic. First, the krill are eaten by fish, some types of penguin, seal, and whale. Then, seabirds and other penguin eat the fish. In Antarctica, there is less to eat in winter when plankton stop growing. But the animals here have adapted to these conditions. They can survive for months without food. Their bodies shrink as they use their energy stores. Krill and fish make antifreeze to stop their body icing up. Penguins, seal, and whales have compact bodies, thick layers of fat to retain heat. So this is our video of habitats today. I hope you guys like it. So please like and share this video and also press the bell icon so that you can watch all our videos. Thank you.